I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.
The Union Budget for the fiscal year 2025-26 was presented in Parliament by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. This marked the 8th budget from Sitharaman and the first of Prime Minister Modi's third term. Here are 5 key takeaways from the budget. Income tax reforms. A new income tax bill will be introduced next week with a key proposal, that is, no income tax for earnings up to Rs 12 lakh under the new regime. The tax slabs will be revised across all income groups. Individuals with salaries over 24 lakh will face a 30% tax, and the deadline for filing tax returns has been extended from 2 years to 4 years. Infrastructure development. A 1 lakh crore urban challenge fund will be established to revamp cities, enhance water and sanitation infrastructure, and promote redevelopment. The government plans to allocate 10,000 crore in the 2025-26 fiscal year for this initiative. Further, an additional 1.5 lakh crore will be provided in interest-free loans for capital expenditure. The government will also push for reforms through incentives. Further, the government will complete 40,000 additional affordable housing units in financial year 26. A new Swami Fund 2 of 15,000 crore will be set up for housing. Investing in people. The government is focusing on human capital as a key growth engine. This includes the Sashakt Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 programs, which will support over 8 crore children, pregnant women, and adolescent girls. Infrastructure in 5 IITs will be expanded, adding 6,500 more students, while 5 national centers of excellence for skilling will be created. Aviation expansion. The UDAN scheme has successfully connected 1.5 crore middle-class people to 88 airports. Therefore, the new modified scheme will expand to 120 new destinations with the aim of accommodating 4 crore additional passengers. Further, new greenfield airports will also be developed in Bihar. Agriculture initiatives. The Prime Minister Krishi Yojana will introduce the Han Dhan Krishi Yojana, targeting 100 districts with low productivity. The plan focuses on crop diversification, better storage, irrigation improvements, and easier credit access. Around 1.7 crore farmers are expected to benefit from this. Additionally, a 6-year mission to make India self-reliant in pulses, particularly tur and masoor, will be launched. The Makhana Board will also be established in Bihar as part of the National Mission for Edible Oils and Seeds to strengthen domestic production. So, are you happy from this year's budget or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.